Hi, I'm race car driver Jimmie Johnson, and I'm so grateful for the healthcare heroes who care for our community. We need more people to heed the call to become a provider of hope and healing. That's why the Racing to Excellence Nursing Scholarship for high school seniors is so essential. This full-ride scholarship to AdventHealth University will help foster the next generation of compassionate nurses in Volusia, Flagler, and Lake counties. AdventHealth wants to fuel your path to success.